Okay guys, welcome to Codeman's Auto. We have a P1633. This van is stuck in limp mode. This is a Ford Windstar, and I'm going to show you what we did to get the transmission working right. Alright guys, so you see all these codes and it gets you really excited, gets you scared that you've got a lot going on in your transmission and your engine and all that. But really the only code that you need to try to take care of is this P1633, and it's keep alive power voltage too low. Okay, so we're out here to the fuse block. I've been testing the fuses. I have a fuse blown right here, which I looked it up, this 20 amp fuse right here, and it goes to the cigarette lighter. So I come down here and this fuse right here is also blown, and that's the one we're interested in. That is in slot number 40. But fuse number 40 right there is the one that we're interested in because it controls the transmission control module, and it controls the air condition, and it says engine 1. All right, so we got the fuse changed. The transmission's working as it's supposed to. It's downshifting the way it's supposed to. All the shift points are there. I've done what I was supposed to do. I still think there's a problem maybe with this AC unit, shorting back through, maybe blowing that fuse, but he's only had this one problem with it. So maybe it was just a fluke thing where it shorted back through and blew it. But anyway, I hope this video helps you. This is Codeman's Auto, and please subscribe.